What's up, everybody? Long intro, I know. But it's going to be worth it to watch this video because this video is cranking out some serious wattage on rhythm guitar from metal players. I'm going over the infamous 6-5-4 progression. The use of 6-5-4 in metal has been beat to death because people love 6-5-4. Bands love it, people love hearing it, and those are the songs that are the most successful. So I'm going to show you the tricks of how you use 6-5-4 to write big time songs. Let's get right into it. Here it is, folks. Very simple. That's what my channel is about. I'm not going to be any different today. Everybody's using 6-5-4. What that means is when we have a key, we're using the 6th chord, the 5th chord, and the 4th chord together. It does not mean we're only using those three. It means we're using those three. Could be with more than those three or just those three. Countless songs use them. Countless. Everything from the beginning of electric guitar till today is still using 6-5-4. Heck, Iron Maiden built their entire career around it, and so did countless other bands and players. You must know 6-5-4 if you're going to play anything in the realm of commercial music. If you're looking for Death Underground where 7 people listen, then this is not for you. But if you want to play music where you understand how to put a hook in a song, how to write a chorus, how to write the catch, the part everybody wants to hear. If you want to be like these billion-dollar bands that write big songs and you need to know what's going on, in 6-5-4 is it. So, using the 6th chord of a key, the 5th chord, and the 4th chord, we're going to do this. I am drop D. I'm in drop C, actually, but I'm going to refer to it as a drop D setup. So I'm going to be playing in the key of D minor. We all know, if you don't know your basics, you're going to learn some of it here, but you should go back and check out my other videos on the basics of music theory. I'm going to be using the key of D minor, which is the key of F major. So even though I'm in the key of D minor, I refer to the key of F for the numbers of my chords. So I'll be looking for the 6th chord in F, the 5th chord in F, and the 4th chord in F, which is really D minor, C major, B flat major. And including those three, but not limited to those three, will be the riff that I write. What you saw me play earlier was a simple riff of D minor, the D power chord, the F power chord, with a C major chord and a B flat major. And I combined it with a D5. If I didn't, I'm going to. And that's basically all I did was the D5 with the F5 with the C major and the B flat major. C major consists of C and E, C, E, and then B flat and open D. And then I got an F chord here, which is the F, and the C. I got the D of D and A. So there it is, 6-5-4, D, I have the D, I got the C, I got the B flat, and I threw in an F just for the heck of it. Now, when you put those together, I got myself a nice catchy 6-5-4 riff. I can vary this riff a million ways. I can change the ending to that. I can put the ending as... I can throw that into the middle of the riff, the power chord sequence. Then throw in the major chords. I still get a D, C, and a B flat. I'm just mixing in with the D5 and F, as I did before. The whole thing was D, F, and D, F, C, and B flat. Is the 6-5-4 thrown in. Just basically adding in the F for some flavor. And you can do a ton of things with these chords. You got patterns you can play. You got the F major box sitting right there. You can add some things in, some flavor. Six, 5, 4 is huge, folks. When you're playing the licks, it's a D, then it's the C, then it's the B flat. So you might be looking for melody notes where you have a D minor arpeggio over here. You might move into over the chord sequence. If you're going to solo over 6, 5, 4, you might use something like this, which is basically just a D minor chord. There's my D, my F, my A. I play them any way I want. Then you back up to a G, a C, and an E. You have a B flat, D, and an F. You might flip the pickup. You can move around and build a little extra melody with 6, 5, and 4. There's the A. Back to the D. Then you follow that up. You can put together the melody matching the chords. So whatever you did on the lick, you can put together something like that in your chords. And then add to it the rest of your progression. It's just whatever you wanted to add. But 6, 5, 4 is in everything, and that's how we use it. We combine the 6th chord, the 5th chord, and the 4th chord, whether it be in power chord form or standard chord form. Full complete chord, meaning the melody is in the chord. Here's your D minor. You have the 5th fret A, 3rd fret D. You have a D and an F. Flip it with the D power chord, and you can instantly go from the chord to the power chord. So here you're flipping a D minor and a C major. You're flipping them to the C5 and the D5. For a little, maybe like a Haunted might do something like that. They were a great band. And there you go, 6, 5, 4. So many different ways you can use it, but at least now you know what it is, and you can start writing with it. And just learn an Iron Maiden song, and you'll see it in the key of E minor. I'll do another video with 6, 5, 4 in the key of E, but this guitar is in D, so we're using the key of D minor as your example. I hope that helps everybody understand what 6, 5, 4 is. You hear it all the time. Go looking for it now in the songs you play. I bet you'll see it everywhere. See you in the next video.